Hi garden friends. Well, today I'm going for a walk around my neighborhood to see what I can find. So we're at the beginning of the new year in January, and let's go see what we can find. Oh, and at the end of this video, I'm going to take you to a volcano which is located near my home. You're not going to believe what a spectacular view we're going to have. So let's go, shall we? What a beautiful collection of potted plants that's located outside this home. And I just think it's a great use of space. I love it. All these different cacti and other goodies. That's terrific. This is a charming garden. It has a lace leaf maple and some ornamental grasses, some heavenly bamboo nandina. Very nice. I've always loved this rock wall. They're called winter jewels, and they're absolutely stunning. And here's some that are still in bud. Winter jewels are also known as hellebores or Lenten rose. And what about that rock wall? I love it. It's gorgeous. I have always admired this garden. And the home sits up on this little hill here. Beautiful. What a spectacular garden of ferns. There's a variety of ferns here, and this is a fairly well-established garden. And these ferns are absolutely gorgeous. Now I've got ferns at my house, but this is very beautiful to me. It's the epitome of the Pacific Northwest. This looks like it goes to a secret garden. Isn't that wonderful? What a great idea. Now the back side of this home has some beautiful espalier. I'm not exactly sure what this variety is. And here's another great use of space. And notice the rain chain. Those are very popular here in the Pacific Northwest. They attach to your gutter. I've got several at my house. Here's another great idea. This house sits up above these stairs here, and I believe that is heavenly bamboo. So another great use of space here. Gorgeous. Now here's a spectacular arbor that was built just several years ago at this particular home. As you can see, it's quite large. It sits on the corner here, and it absolutely gets covered in, I think it's jasmine, but I'm not sure. But anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous. Very old home here. And some very unique things up on the porch. Isn't that spectacular? Look at all these boxwood hedges. Absolutely fantastic. They've done a great job here, and this is a little more formal than the other gardens that we've looked at. This is another terrific idea. Wow, look at that. Those are huge. They've got some very nicely pruned boxwood hedges. Again, up on this wall, most of these homes are built on a hill, of course. Isn't that spectacular? Well, here's our starting point to the summit of Mount Tabor Park. It's actually an inactive volcano, and I'm going to walk up to the summit and we'll see what we can find. Let's go. Now there's a variety of staircases here. It's going to take us up 636 feet. Now here's part of a view on the trail. Look at these Douglas firs. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah. On we go. There's also some separate dirt trails that go off, but it's looking beautiful to me. We've still got more stairs. Another set of stairs. What are we going to find at the top? Let's keep moving. Near the top is a beautiful grassy meadow. And some beautiful Douglas firs. Almost there. Well, I made it to the top, and here's a beautiful view of the city of Portland, which you can see there, and also right down here is an open water reservoir. So, we made it to the top. It's a spectacular day. I hope you are enjoying this video. But everyone's out enjoying the weather. And the trees are fantastic too. Here is a small amphitheater that's located in Mount Tabor Park. And look, you can see how the volcano was before. So they've made this a very lovely little area here. And they host events during the summertime. This is just one of the reservoirs. There's only 2 that are left in this park. And there used to be more. I think there was 4 altogether. And this building here probably holds all the maintenance equipment. And I've always loved this building. I'm a little bit partial though. This is the second reservoir, and downtown Portland is in the distance. And we have another gorgeous building. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, but I wanted to show you my garden today as well. So let's take a look. This is still technically the first year of gardening in this space. So this is what my garden looks like today. I've got a few standouts, including my blonde ambition. And there you have it. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great gardening day.